Zach Johnson, Jay County, Indiana. We switched from the coulter to the 360 for a couple reasons. One, wear and tear was faster than what we'd like to see, and when you do that, that dips into your pocketbook money-wise. So that was one reason. There's less maintenance required there with the 360. Another reason is we switched over for, we got a lot of rolling terrain, and when you get into those rolls, you can readjust a little easier than with the coulter, because if you lift the coulter out of the ground any for the landscape, now where's the nitrogen going? All over the place. With the 360, you can play with it a little more effectively and still get your placement. Our agronomist had been testing them for a couple of years, and he was showing us the data, and after about 3 years of data, he said, I'm showing about a 5 bushel increase, because you can go in a more timely manner, earlier or later, depending on weather and things of that nature, because that's an unpredictable thing when it comes to what the weather's going to do. So that was the main factor, I think, because the past several years weather-wise weren't very good and kind of unpredictable, and we weren't getting in when we needed and weren't getting done when we wanted, so that played a factor too. I'd recommend the Y-Drops after just 1 year of experience with them, so yeah.